Today we're going to create a chalk pastel sunflower on top of acrylic paint. You may use a board canvas or wrapped canvas or even paint paper. To create this artwork you need chalk pastels, something to paint on, painter's tape, a hairdryer, and some black acrylic paint. The first thing we need to do is to take the painter's tape and tape the edge around your canvas. I'm using a board in this one, a canvas board, so I'm taping it directly to the table so that way it won't move and I will still end up with a frame. Once we are finished our artwork, then we remove this tape and we end up with a nice frame. Next, we get our black acrylic paint and apply it directly to the canvas. Dipping your brush in the water, bring it to the canvas and start spreading the paint. Once you have covered your canvas, take your paintbrush and smooth out the lines. You could set this aside and wait for it to dry, or you could use a hairdryer to speed up the process. This may take a few minutes, but you want the paint dry. That's important. You'll notice that the shine begins to leave as it's dry. Just touch it and see. Once the paint is dry to the touch, we are ready to begin applying chalk. Using the color of your choice, draw a circle on your canvas. And then you can use the same color or choose a different color. Fill it in with little circles. I've chosen to vary the colors of my seeds. First I put in 2 rows of orange, and then I added yellow with a third color around the center. And the center seeds were yellow as well. You can choose your own variation, whatever pleases you. You'll notice that you can still see the black of the paint that we've put on the canvas below the seeds or around the seeds, and that's fine. This is part of the style. Next, we choose a color. You choose what color you want. And we're going to begin to draw the petals. Now these are the petals that are closer to the front of the flower. And then when we are finished drawing these flowers, these petals, then we will draw the next petals that are underneath. And you can choose a different color for that. This way we won't get the 2 layers of petals mixed up, but we are also going to apply different colors to the petals below and the petals above. This is going to add depth and beautiful variation in our flower. Once all of your petals are on, choose a shade of green that pleases you, and we're going to add 2 leaves to our flower. Now that we have the outline of the petals and the leaves, I want you to choose a color, and we're going to draw lines just inside the original lines for each petal. And these are the petals that are at the front. So when you're drawing the line, you can leave just a little bit of black showing between each line. And we work our way around the flower, just working on the top layer of petals. Once you have drawn a line inside each of the outward petals, take another color and draw a line in the same as you did before, but now we are working our way inwards on the petal. Again, it's fine to leave a little bit of space between each of the lines so that some of the black is still showing. Once we have completed that round, we choose another color and follow the same. You draw another line inside that line and you go all the way around. Once that is complete, we take a brighter color and draw 3 lines in the center of each petal, with the center line being the longest. And once we've completed the lines in the center, then we're going to draw our attention to the petals that are secondary in the flower. So we follow with the same pattern. We choose a color and we draw a line inside our original petal line on the second layer of petals. And once we've completed that, then we choose another color and we'll repeat the same process. You draw a line just inside the last line that you drew on the secondary petals. And again, we will repeat this process with a third color. Draw the line just inside the last line that you drew, leaving a bit of space. And once that is done, then we will move to the leaves. We repeat the same process by alternating colors or varying them within the leaves. And then our flower is complete. The only thing left is to take off the tape at the sides, revealing a lovely frame all the way around. If we take a tissue and put it on our table, pick up our art and give it a couple of taps. This will remove excess chalk. Voila, we are done.